Absolutely beautiful. This spacious 4-bedroom 3.1 Colonial is in move-in condition. The grand wraparound porch offers maintenance-free decking. Enter to a spacious great room/dining room, 20x22, west/HWWD floors throughout, crown molding recessed lighting, beautiful gas fireplace, hall closet and powder room. Gorgeous large eat-in kitchen walnut cabinets/cherry finish and custom ceramic tiled backsplash west/frosted glass inlay and beautiful hardwood flooring. Fabulous 5-burner stovetop with self-cleaning oven, microwave, dishwasher, and granite countertop. F/R area H/west floors and ceiling fan. Outside exit to a large 6ft fenced built-in-yard west/storage shed. Second floor, the master bedroom is generously sized with west/W carpets, 2 large closets and ceiling fan. Ceramic tiled MB west/frameless glass shower door, granite counter and all Kohler fixtures. 2 bedrooms with west/W carpets, 3 in 1 bedroom with new lamented flooring, all are spacious BRS west/nice sized closets and ceiling fans. Hall linen closet, full bath with new tub enclosure, and new skylight. Lower level, beautiful spacious finished basement, tile floor, laundry area, lots of storage space, cozy recessed lighting, full bath west/tiled stall shower and large closets. Tilda new water heater in 2018 * new lamented floor in 1 bedroom located on a see you later Cul-de-sac lot, minutes from major arteries, RT95.